So there's this
Yeah.
guy in SA, right? Who I'm a big fan of. He's
Yeah.
a rapper. He's pretty much like you, right? Where he started off early. He got a big hit, and social media was
Rocking
popping
with
up.
him, yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
His name is Nasty C, right?
Nasty C, yeah, he hard.
You know Nasty C?
Yeah, hell yeah.
For real?
Dope,
Fuck
man.
yeah.
Out of hell,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
That's the
One
song
of our
that made him
hardest,
big.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, isn't it? Oh shit, that's hard. Yeah,
one
Nasty
of
C
his
hard. He be
greatest
rapping.
songs, hell
He
yeah,
rap- I think I follow him on Twitter. They love
For
him.
real? Nasty
Yeah,
C?
it's a lot of
That's a
controversy
dope guy,
behind him,
bro.
but,
For real?
but it's a lot of love. He get a lot of love too.
Yeah.
Oh,
He's
yeah.
yeah.
He's the greatest right now in the country.
That's fire.
He's the greatest rapper we have, bro. Like,
So
he's
I say it
fucking-
still is like, because I've been hearing a lot of years about Nasty C for sure.
bro, he's when it comes to rap, because obviously
Yeah.
Amapiano's big right now,
Right.
but when it comes to rap,
He's the guy.
he's the guy. He's our
That's hard.
goat. Like
hard.
he's the one. Like I would sell my house
Yeah.
for a Swae Lee
verse.
feature.
slap-
Yeah. He automatically gonna turn it up.
Yeah, you know
like,
what I'm saying?
yeah.
And he started
That's
like
hard.
you, right? So he started when he was like 18, 19, got a big song.
Pretty
it's called
young.
Hell No.
Yeah. Okay.
Davido got on it. Was it Davido who got on it?
Yeah, the remixes or whatever.
Then got
Right?
bigger.
He going with DeVito? Like, oh, that hard.
Juice bag. No, that's juice bag.
Juice Bag.
That's
So
Juice
now
Bag.
Yeah.
he's old, right? So he's like 31, 32. And he started streaming, right?
Yeah.
And I was like, I felt some type of way because, like, I feel like as an artist, like,
Still grind, kicks. I
Yep.
feel you like he still needs to keep grinding on the music.
he's killing his aura.
I know what you mean.
The
You get what I'm
mystique.
saying? The
It's two ways to
mystique.
look at things.
being
Like
an artist.
streaming for the new kids is like television though.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So, like,
literally.
If you build it up, it can become something massive.
Yeah.
Equivalent to rapping. Just like, like they look at Speed like
Yeah.
better than some of the rappers.
Yeah,
like,
yeah,
you know what I'm saying? He a
Yeah,
streamer.
yeah.
Yeah.
And if they look at Kai Cenat, like with star eyes, like
Yeah.
they might pass a rapper like, whatever. Nigga, they see nigga Kai Cenat! Nigga! You know what I'm saying? So it's like, when that
100%.
streaming shit get to that level,
But you don't
It's
strike
like-
me as a guy that would
Yeah.
stream because that's what's happening now. You just like, yo, man.
I always look at it like, man, my lifestyle is stream worthy though.
Yes.
Like,
yes,
cause
yes.
the
I was
shit
with
that
you in
streaming be
Dubai.
doing
I
is like,
know.
well, I do this shit on a Wednesday, like, you know what I'm saying? Like when I don't even want to do it, I'm like, damn, I gotta do this again. Shit. All right, 50 girls.
Oh,
come
shit, I
on.
gotta fuck some hoes.
Oh, shit.
Oh,
You
shit.
feel
Fuck
me?
condoms.
Damn.
Oh, here we go again.
60 bottles.
It was-
Lamborghini. Bugatti again. Like, no cameras, you know what I'm saying? I don't even- But it's like,
Yeah.
it's cool because that's what people want to see. And like, I understand that. It's like, so sometimes like, I might turn on the stream, you know what I'm saying? But you got to go about it like a cool way as an artist. Like, you can't make it seem like that's your whole like bread and basket. You know what I'm saying? They got to still know you on your music grind. And then like, just to get them like an inside look, you streaming type shit. You know what I'm saying?
But
That's how I would do it.
Was I wrong, bro? Because I love the guy, bro.
No, you ain't wrong, because I get what you're saying. It's two ways to look at it, like, too. I feel like that sometimes, too. Like, that's why I don't just, hey, guys, follow my stream. Like, I wouldn't come out like that. Like, they know me, I'm Swae Lee. Like, I'd be like, yo, watch my stream, you know.
That's it.
I'm doing some cool shit. I'm streaming Coachella. Like, when I stream
Because
Coachella,
you do a day in the
I
life
do
of
big
of
occasions.
Swae Lee.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Like, say if I'm going on tour with a huge artist or something, I might stream a couple nights just to show my fans, boom, this is going on. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Because, like, with artists, they have that mystique, bro.
yeah, that
But-
mystique is fire. It works for some people.
Yeah.
Some people, they rather you. It's bigger for them to show it. But some people, that mystique works for them for sure. I
But
know what you mean.
we live in a period where artists are forced to move outside of their comfort zone to try push music.
Yeah.
You know, before you can make a dope song, now you gotta do a video for it, do a TikTok,
Challenge.
dance on TikTok.
Yeah.
So streaming, I feel like it's one of those things it's taken advantage of because of
Yeah, and
the
it's a
new
little easier.
era. Yeah. Maybe
Because you don't gotta like you don't gotta do the TikTok challenge. It's like
yeah.
you might just stream it, play it, have a special guest, and it go viral or some shit.
That's
Yeah.
it. You
so,
can
like-
preview your songs and you get new relevance. So I feel like he's trying his own way of doing things in the
Yeah.
modern time, and it's
Yeah.
okay, man.
Yeah, you gotta experiment. Sometimes you gotta experiment because you never know, it might work for you. Like
Yeah, and he's got the personality because he's quite funny on this.
Yeah, easy.
that's
He's
the
super funny.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's his
I wanna
fast.
watch it. I gotta
He's
check that
fine.
out.
Bro, he does these C mixes. Oh my gosh! So
I gotta
he'll
check
take
that
a Drake song
Yeah,
or whatever, like Bees in the Trap. Huh?
yeah.
Yeah.
Jesus. Fuck. What do you think about the new Drake, bro? I'm fucking loving it.
It's
bro.
hard.
All of my ops are dead.
Yeah.
Money a lot.
What's the favorite song?
A million.
Oh yeah.